Hey guys, I just recently bought this FrSky 4-channel receiver, the D4R-II. The D4R-II is capable of outputting PPM signals into a NAZA Lite system like I have. It's really lightweight, 5.8 grams, probably 7 grams with the servo wire. It's pretty reliable. I've flown it in my Reptile 500 quadcopter several times, and I thought I'd show you guys how to properly set it up to output PPM. First thing we need to do is bind the receiver to the transmitter. You'll do that by pressing the white button on the back of your DJT module while turning on your transmitter. As soon as you turn it on, the red light or LED will start blinking and it will start beeping at you, letting you know that the receiver is ready to bind to the transmitter. And the way we do that is this little FS button right there. You have to press it while powering up your receiver. I happen to have a servo wire for power hooked up to a 6-volt battery. So I'm going to press the FS button and I'm going to turn on my receiver. You're going to see a red light blink and the green LED stays on. And that tells you that the binding is successful. Let's go to the manual here. Red LED blinking, green LED on, binding successful. So we're good to go. Now you turn off your receiver and then turn off the transmitter. The next thing you're going to need to do before moving on is to make sure that you recalibrate your throttle to your ESCs and motors. Very important that you do that before we move on. Once you've done calibrating your throttle, take one jumper pin out of the bag provided with your package and insert it into the channel 3 and 4 signal output. And insert the jumper pin just like so. And now you've converted this 4-channel receiver into an 8-channel receiver with PPM output. Here's the manual that tells you all about it. Alright, next thing we're going to do is put a servo wire into channel 1 of this receiver. Channel 1 outputs the PPM signals to your NAZA Lite controller right there. Channel 1 signal wire is on the outside and ground is on the inside. And you can go ahead and remove all these wires from the aileron, elevator, throttle, rudder, and your 3-position switch channel, which is on U. And all you have to do is plug this servo wire into X2. Here's a close-up shot of where it needs to go. Once you're done with that, go ahead and fire up your NAZA Lite assistant software, and you're going to want to select PPM because this receiver now outputs PPM to your NAZA Lite control unit. It's no longer the traditional signals, it's PPM. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to recalibrate your sticks and make sure that these are all green. You may have to do it 3 or 4 times like I did, but once you get it set up, you're going to be okay. Just make sure these are all green before you click finish, and you're set. If you have any other questions on how to set up your NAZA Lite system to your 9XR and DJT module, I have a how-to video on how to do that, and it'll save you a lot of time, and it's quick and easy, and I hope you like it. Thumbs up and subscribe.